Entrepreneurship is that. It gives you freedom, it gives you choice, and it gives you to ability to create, which is nothing more fulfilling than that.
Millennials अलग तरीके से काम करते थे, they had this hustle and hard work. जबकि if you're talking about Gen Z, they want their work-life balance and stuff like that. So is there a gap, or are we actually doing something to adapt to these changes?
You've got to become recession proof. तो ये जो भार हो रहा है, मैं तो बोलता हूँ बच्चों को, यार don't worry. If you have the skills, if you have the confidence, there are not one but there are 5 jobs available for you.
So finally हम आ गए हैं इस इंस्टीट्यूट के पीछे जो विजनरी हैं उनसे बात करने के लिए. So after knowing all the experiences from the students, getting the insights from faculties, अगर हम इनसे बात नहीं करेंगे तो आई थिंक हमें जो कोर इंसाइट्स हैं वो मिलेगा ही नहीं, जो एसेंस है वो मिलेगा ही नहीं. सो थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस. वी आर ग्लैड टू हैव यू हियर and I'm looking forward to knowing your experiences and of course getting a lot of knowledge from this session. So the very first question of course to you is, sir, you started this institute as the first Green Bee school and now this is India's first AI university. So how are you bringing such pioneer ideas? Do you have something special, you need to have some that special instinct inside you to come up with such ideas, or how do you get that vision, sir?
So देखो मेरा यही सोच है कि if we have to create a world class institution, आपको बहुत यूनिक बनना है. आपको कोई सेंस, कोई स्पेशल नहीं है. आप बस देखो दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है, क्या सिग्नल्स आ रही हैं, उस बेसिस पे नेक्स्ट वेव क्या है. तो इस वजह से हमने ग्रीन स्कूल खोला. उस वक्त द एंटायर वर्ल्ड was looking at how to be sustainable, how to ensure that there is sustainability which will impact the environment in a positive way. India was not speaking about that. Indian corporates were way behind. So we said we need to make sure that the curriculum, the entire hardware and software of the institute should demonstrate this, so that students who are studying in Universal Business School need to go out into the world and make a huge impact. So that was our first thing of setting up Universal Business School as India's first green business school. Now coming to the university, when we set up our university in 2023, we had actually applied for it in 2018, where there was no chat GPT, there was no talk about this. So tab hame laga ki what is going to impact the industry, what is going to impact every field, whether you're a psychology student, कल आप इकोनॉमिक स्टूडेंट्स हो, whether you're a business student, whether you're a design student, you're a student of music, you need to know how is AI going to impact the industry. And rather than being afraid of it, we've got to ride the tiger.
Definitely, sir. Sir, as you mentioned that in 2009 you observed that there's this wave of sustainability and उसके बाद technology का and AI का wave आया. I feel that India में अभी currently there's another wave going on, and that is of entrepreneurship and startups. We are seeing a lot of these micro entrepreneurs coming up. I think India में हमने ये चीज़ पहले कभी नहीं देखी है. The government is also supporting it a lot. So what do you think is the market scenario outside for this, and how are the students taking it? How are the students viewing it as an opportunity and then doing something about it?
So I think this is phenomenal, transformational, and life-changing. Entrepreneurship is that. It gives you freedom, it gives you choice, and it gives you to ability to create, which is nothing more fulfilling than that. So मेरा यही कहना है कि entrepreneurship हमने अपने DNA में बना दिया है. From a technology standpoint, we've created a quantum computing lab, AR, VR lab. So you need to have the tools, because technology can make a huge difference in new apps that students have created. और उनसे बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है देखने के उनकी creativity में, वो कैसे solve कर रहे हैं business problems using artificial intelligence. And the best thing is, then you become the hirer. You're no longer the hiree. And that is how you win your freedom. So हमारे यहाँ भी we have a program where it's a credit course. Every student को ये लेना ही लेना है. उनको एक आइडिया निकालना है, then create a business plan and possibly pitch it to the industry, creating a prototype thereafter, and we are supporting in that journey.
Is it like an incubation center? Does it work like that?
Absolutely.
Okay. So also, when we're talking about change and transformation that we are seeing outside, what is the transformation? Because you have seen students from, I think, last 15 to 20 years. So what is the difference now in the students or the youngsters that are coming to an educational institution? What are they seeking? And at the same time, what is the change in the industry as well? Because even the work cultures, the expectations that we have, millennials अलग तरीके से काम करते थे. They had this hustle and hard work. जबकि if you're talking about Gen Z, they want their work-life balance and stuff like that. So is there a gap, or are we actually doing something to adapt to these changes?
बहुत ही बढ़िया सवाल है. I think this is the best question. I think my view in this is that industry has always been going at a fast pace. Understand your generation, understand how to adapt, and the best way to do that is give a lot more freedom. Give a little bit more ownership to this employee who is joining you, this Gen Z is joining you. And then you will be amazed कि कितनी creativity निकलेगी बच्चों से. Give them little more importance, give them little more appreciation, and you'll be amazed what kind of productivity you will get. So I think industry needs to change. I don't think Gen Z needs to change. I think you guys are the future. We need to learn from you, and we need to adapt to your style. Flexibility is very, very important. Companies need to be more flexible. They need to give ability that यार ये रात को बढ़िया काम करते तो कोई बात नहीं है. Let's make sure hybrid work culture हो. End result पे ध्यान देना है. Not that you have to come, check in, check out, clock in, clock out. ये सब पुराने concepts है. So the freedom, the flexibility you give, the appreciation you give, the challenging environment you create in an open environment where collaboration, Gen Z does better collaboration, 10x better than our generation. वो एक दूसरे को approach करते हैं. They've been in this whole social media world. Many millennials still aren't on social media. So ये आपके strengths हैं. You got to focus on your strengths and make it work for you.
Definitely, sir. And I think it is because of leaders like you that we people also feel that, okay, we have an open platform wherein we can go, experiment, explore. And that is where even we get to understand that, okay, this is our potential and we can actually, reach that or even go beyond that. So hats off to you for not just doing it for your employees, but I would say create an institution and give that kind of culture to students so that जब कॉलेज में बच्चा वो चीज़ देख लेगा तो ऑब्वियसली उसका वर्क एनवायरनमेंट से एक्सपेक्टेशन भी वही रहेगा और आगे जाके वही चीज़ क्रिएट भी होगी. So that's actually a great thing. And a couple of more questions from you, sir. When we are talking about the future and we are talking about what opportunities lie ahead of students, अभी एक प्रॉब्लम जो स्टूडेंट्स फेस कर रहे हैं या जो चीज़ बहुत बज़ में है, दैट इज़ द ग्लोबल रिसेशन. बाहर जॉब्स नहीं हैं, बहुत सारे लोग जो बाहर जाना चाहते थे, दे हैव चेंज देयर प्लान्स ऑफ गोइंग आउट. सो वन क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम दिस कॉन्टेक्स्ट वुड बी दैट डू यू थिंक दिस विल हिट इंडिया एज वेल एंड विल इट इम्पैक्ट द अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ दैट इंडियन यंगस्टर्स हैव? And second is because Universal AI University also has a lot of international collaborations. So how are those collaborations helping students in such times? जब बाहर recession है तो क्या तब भी students को बाहर जाना चाहिए? And what is the safest route for them if they want to do that?
So I think ये recession हर 5 साल आता है. ये cycles है. So you need to not get overawed by the situation. Finally, I think the main thing is how do you become recession proof? And the only way you become recession proof, आज technology is taking some jobs. Let's understand full artificial intelligence, understand what it can do, how it can make an impact. And there are so many tools on the online space that you can build. You don't have to actually go seeking a professor. There is everything available out there in the self-learning world. So you've got to become recession proof. तो ये जो भार हो रहा है, मैं तो बोलता हूँ बच्चों को, यार don't worry. If you have the skills, if you have the confidence, there are not one but there are 5 jobs available for you. And talent के लिए companies will turn their upside down. So if you're talented, companies will roll out the red carpet. Don't think about the markets. ये loser सोचते हैं कि क्या हो रहा है दुनिया में, अरे वो होते रहेगा, 5 साल के बाद कुछ और होगा, अगले बार कुछ और होगा. But if you have the skill set, you have the right attitude, which you certainly do, you are going to make a huge impact and people will be dying for you. So start thinking, pivoting, what can I do to make myself recession proof. Of course, one of the things is great कि अगर आप कोई भी यूनिवर्सिटी से फॉरेन डिग्रीज के करिकुलम अडॉप्ट करोगे, so you'll, what does that do? That makes you more flexible. You can work and study in a different method, a different pedagogy, a different andragogy. तो ये सब will add to you your abilities to be able to deal with different situations. And the world is getting more and more complex, and the people who can solve problems are the people who have experienced different worlds, different insights into different industries. They are the most valued.
So one new word that I've definitely learned is becoming recession proof, and I think this is the three idiots philosophy, sir, कि success के पीछे नहीं, talent के पीछे भागो, success खुद पीछे आएगा. So to end with this, sir, यूजुअली स्टूडेंट्स के लिए तो बहुत लोग आपसे पूछते होंगे, नो व्हाट इज़ योर मैसेज फॉर स्टूडेंट्स, एंड ऑफ कोर्स अ लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इवन लुक at you as an idol, but I want to hear one message from you for an individual who is at any age, maybe even at your age, maybe wants to do something new, want to experiment. What would you say to that person?
I would say two things. One is take risks and don't be afraid of failure, because this is the time to take risks, to experiment, try new things. Each thing will make a huge difference. Even on campus life, I tell people, participate in every single competition. एक भी competition मत छोड़ो. हर चीज़ में आप देखोगे कि कुछ ना कुछ आपको बिल्ड हो रहा है, आपका DNA बिल्ड हो रहा है. आपको लगेगा यार ये क्या है, मतलब आराम करते हैं. नहीं, जितना आप पार्टिसिपेट करोगे आपका कैरेक्टर बिल्ड हो रहा है, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड होगा, एंड दैट इज़ वॉट इज़ द मैजिक. एंड टू डू दैट पार्टिसिपेशन, थोड़ा हार्डवर्क तो करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि टाइम तो उतना ही है, 24 घंटे. सो या तो यू कैन चिल, इंजॉय, और से कि ये 10 साल मैं मेहनत करता हूँ, बाकी 20 साल मैं जलसा करता हूँ. या ऑपोजिट है, मैं 10 साल अभी इंजॉय करता हूँ और फिर 20 साल मैं मेहनत करता हूँ. चॉइस इज योर्स.
Thank you so much, sir. It was a lovely conversation. I really enjoyed talking to you. Like I always do, of course. And I'm sure हमारे viewers को भी बहुत अच्छे insights मिले होंगे. And another thing that I'm sure of, our viewers are definitely going to demand for an episode 2. So I'll definitely get back to you for that, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.